So I've been answering the phone myself. It's good. It's important I do it. I think it's important that I hear directly from people as they call in. People are a little surprised when I try to convince them that they're talking to me, but everyone has been polite, and we may have disagreed on some things. I think I helped some people understand some of the provisions in the bill. It's craziness, complete and total craziness. You're absolutely right. Well, thank you, Mr. Wallace. Thank you for calling the office, and you have a Merry Christmas. Okay, bye.
Okay. The address is Suite 717.
Well, you're speaking to Claire McCaskill.
Thank you.
I think one of the best things that never is talked about, it's called the Young and Invincible program, where there's going to be an insurance policy you can buy for just catastrophic care. So if you're a young person, the premium is going to be small enough that you can afford it, but it will be there in case you have a car wreck or in case you have some kind of traumatic illness that nobody expects to have when they're 24, 25, 26 years old. Well, whether you're young and you haven't been responsible to get an insurance policy, or whether you're old and you haven't, in this country, we still give you health care. You show up to the emergency room and you're really sick, we're going to take care of you. And somebody pays that bill. You know, the interesting thing is that my friends on the other side of the aisle, for years, including President Bush, has been advocating cuts to the Medicare system to make it more fiscally responsible. Now, all of a sudden, because we're trying to do what they suggested, they think it's bad. I think this bill has some really good things in it that most people in Missouri, if they knew about, would think is okay. It just sounds big, it sounds scary, it sounds like we're going to be paying for people who aren't doing their share. I get all that, but I said, and I meant it, I won't vote for the bill if it's not going to save us more than we spend. It just makes me realize how much misinformation is out there. I mean, people are hearing that the sky is going to fall, and it's not. There's so much in this bill that is good, and it's just fascinating to see how people are so easily convinced that whatever we're doing is bad. It's probably well, frankly, it's probably because Congress hasn't always done the best job in legislating and or explaining what we're doing. So, but it's been great to talk to everybody, and I've had the chance to wish a lot of people from Missouri Merry Christmas today. I just hope I get home for Christmas.